Hey there, thanks for stopping by 818 How To. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a delicious salad. Enjoy.
Salad. I'm using mini cucumbers for this recipe. Chop the cucumbers into thin slices. Arrange them on a plate. A salad's appeal is dependent on the presentation style. Ensure you get the presentation right. Chop a couple of tomatoes into thin rings. Now arrange the tomatoes. Sprinkle salt atop the cucumber and tomato slices. Add ground pepper as well for that extra zing. And voila! Your simple, healthy salad is ready.
And there you have it. Thanks for stopping by 818 How To. If you found this video useful, be sure to like this video and tons of DIY stuff coming up on this channel. There are tons of videos still in queue that need to be uploaded. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until next time, this is Savio signing out and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.